Hey guys, I'm Amit Agarwal. Today I'm gonna show you a demo on Tableau, which is a DataViz tool. So I'm making this video as a part of my DataViz assignment. Not to forget, my registration number is 19BCE0677. So let's start. So what is Tableau? So Tableau is a DataViz tool which helps us to simplify raw data and analyze it in an easily understandable format. So let's see it with an example. So here I am collecting raw data from Kaggle. Kaggle is a very famous website among students and among data scientists. So I am taking this Titanic dataset from Kaggle. So you can download it if you have an account. You can freely make an account in Kaggle. So I have already downloaded the dataset, which is over here in my download section. You can see this data. So let me open Tableau. So this is Tableau. So here uh, I can just browser and here it is, my train dataset. So yeah, so you can see that my train dataset is being displayed over here. So this is the raw format. So you can see that this is the passenger ID. So these were the passengers in the Titanic. So this survived. It has values as 0 and 1. So not, 0 means false and 1 means true. So if the person has survived, then it's 1. If it has not survived, then it is 0. So P class means passenger class. Name is the name of the passenger. Sex is the gender. Age. Sib SP is the number of siblings and spouse the passenger had. So then his ticket number, the fare, cabin, and embarked. So this is the raw data set which is being displayed over here. So you can see here that a sheet has been created already in Tableau. So this is the sheet. So here we can display the data as we want. So from this data source, so let's take age for example. So here it is. So if I want to take age as my x-axis, so what I can do is I can simply drag and drop it over here. One second. Yeah. So you can see that it visualizes the age for me. So but what I am gonna do is I'm gonna create a bin, and yeah, you can see that the size of the bin is 5.09. So I'm just gonna convert it to 10, so to make it easy. So you can see that it has came over here. So if I want to add, so just drag and drop over here. So tableau is one, it's just drag and drop. So now if I want to add count, so I can just drag and drop over here, and you can see that I got the count of ages, like the passengers of age between 0 to 10. So it's 62. If you hover over here, you can see the age and the count. So the passengers with age between 10 and 20 is 102, with null is 177. So yeah, if you want to add a filter, what you can do is just drag with a like in Windows use control, and in Mac use command. So just click on control, as mine is Windows, just and then just drag it over here on filters, and then you can see these values which come over here. So I want to remove this null, so I'll uncheck it and click on OK. And so now you can see that the null values has been skipped for me. Yeah, so this is the data set of age with 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80 up till here. So now if I want to create a subplot, what I can do is I can just click on this age, one sec, and just drag it over here again. Yeah, so you can see that one second. Yeah, sorry. So not this. I should remove it. So I can just click on it, and I can bring it over here. So you can see that subplot has been created for me. So now if you want, what I want is to show the percentage of data. So if I want to show the percentage, so if I hover over this count, so there is a drop down menu for me. If I go over there, and on quick table calculation, I can see this percentage of total. So if I click on it, so it shows me the percentage instead of the count. So in the percent, you can see that the percent for passengers between 0 to 10 is around 8.6%. Then there's 14.2 for age between 10 and 20. So and there's also one thing, like if you want to show the labels on this plot, you can just simply drag and drop this over this label. Sorry, I guess I did some mistake. Let's bring it back. Yep. Okay. Over here, percent of total. And yeah, don't forget to use control when you are drag and dropping. So yep. So when you drag and drop, so you can see here that the percentage of people can be seen, like the maximum is between 20 and 30, which is 30.81%. Similarly, you can do it for this count as well. So just click on control, drag and drop, and you can see the count is 220 for 30.81 percentage of people. Yeah, so this is it. And also, if you want to like add the amount of people survived in this age group, if you want to just add, so I want to add it for like both for this percentage as well as for this. So there is one all. I can just simply drag this survive and take it over here in label. And yep, now you can see that in label it is showing me that 77 people survived out of 220 people. And if I want to take it over here as color, you can see that the difference is the color, like the maximum people who survived was in this age range, so this is darker than others and others are lighter. So and also if you want to it's very easy to duplicate a sheet in Tableau. So let me first name it, so let me name it as age. So now if I want to duplicate this sheet, I can just right click on it and then duplicate, and you can see that it's creating an age to move for me. Now if I want to remove this age as the x-axis, and I want to add some other parameter in the x-axis, I can just click on it and drag it away and it gets removed. So let me rename it as p class, as I want to show you p class. Yeah, so just I'll dragging and dropping it over here. Oh, okay, one second. Again, remove it. I'll have to first make it come here. So just convert to dimension, and now I can simply use it over here, and you can see that the maximum amount of people were in this p class 3. So 85 people were there in p class, 85 people survived in p class 3 and 355 people were there in total. So this is how data visualization gets easier with Tableau. So I'll again duplicate this one, and now I wanted to show you. First, let me rename it to subs b. You would be getting it. So yeah, I wanted to converting to dimension so that I can use it in the place of x-axis. Just removing this p class and adding this sib sp. So count of siblings and spouses. So it displays the chart according to the count of siblings and spouses. So you can see that the maximum is in this area, then it gets lower. You can also see the percentage and all. Yeah. So also you can create your own chart, a new chart again. You if you don't want to duplicate it. So like for example, um, what do I show here? So for example, I want to show survived only. So okay, so let me show you some custom kind of thing. So if I want to make my custom age range, so I'll just go here, create calculated field. So for example, custom age, and let's code. So if age is less than, for example, 13, then uh, child, right? Else if age is okay, greater than equal to 13 and age is less than equal to 19, then uh, teenager, else I can show adult. So I click on OK, and I can see that a custom image has been created for me. Just converting it to dimension and using it over here. 1 second, there is yep. Where did it go? Mm, 1 second, guys. I think I need to rename it. Ooh. Okay, I forget to do one thing. I remember. So let me just cut it. Let me just create another one for you. I forgot to end it. So yeah, if age is less than 13, then child, else if age is greater than equal to 13 and age is less than equal to 19, then teenager, else adult, zip, and okay, yeah, so now it's right. Okay, I can rename it to custom age. I forgot it to do. Yeah, yep. So you can just see that, yeah. So I got it with 3 columns as adult, child, and teenager. So let's get the count, and yep, you can see that most people were adult over there. And if you want to see the count, you can just click it over here, and 727 passengers were adult, 69 were child, and 95 were teenager. And let's rename this to custom age. Okay, so let me show you another thing. Like if you want to see survived, so just converting it to dimension, using it over here. And yeah, if you want to see it as a pie chart, see, now you are seeing it as a table. If you want to, first let me go to count. Yeah, so yeah, so you can see that this is a bar plot of the bar plot for the data set. Now if you want to change the view, you can change it to your required view. Like I'm using a pie chart over here. And also if you want to have labels, see, you are having labels over here like this. And if you want to have labels again, so you can just drag and drop it over here. Okay, 1 second. So yeah, so you can see that it's 0 and 1. Don't forget to use the control. Okay, so now let's see how to create a dashboard. So just simply click on new dashboard. So it comes over here. You have all your sheets over here. You just double click on it and the sheet gets added over here. So this is the first sheet, this is the second sheet, this is the third sheet, this is the fourth sheet. And yeah, you can resize it according to your need. Yep. Yeah, and also I can rename this sheet 5 to survived. Yeah, you can see that it's changed over here in dashboard as well. So you can also change colors, and see, you can change sizes if you want. Like if I want it to be automatic, so this is what looks good, I guess.